So the project I'm currently working requires me to drill holes in a large plate of steel. I decided this is the last time I fight a large piece of steel on my drill press. Over Christmas, I drafted up these plans for a rough idea and dimensions. This entire project is made from scrap wood. I never throw wood away. This sheet of plywood used to lift up a mattress to make it the same height as the mattress next to it. Since I didn't need it anymore, I took it apart and I'm reusing the wood here. Later on in the video, you'll see leftover hardwood from the trailer project and leftover wall cleats from the pantry project I did. I actually had to run the wood through the planer to remove the paint so the wood glue would stick. I'm using hardwood here because there's going to be a lot of force on a small piece of wood, horizontally and vertically, and I wanted it to be strong. I picked the widest piece of scrap oak I could find, cut it in half, and then glued it together to make it thick enough to match the thickness of the drill press table. Ignore the cross brace on the left. I ended up removing that because I forgot that the table is round and not a half moon. So I didn't show it, but I was sanding some material, walking over to the drill press and checking for fit, marking the area where it was too high, and then coming back to the sander. I went back and forth 3 or 4 times until I got this nice fit. Same technique here. I would walk it over to the drill press, spin it, and then mark where it was too thick, and then kept sanding. The idea was that as you spin it, it would cam tight between the table and the vertical pole of the drill press. So this is one of those classic projects where I had to build something else in order to continue working on the project that I'm making. This will be the next video that I put up on YouTube, which is an extremely heavy rolling cart for my table saw that when I lock the wheels and push wood through the saw, the table is heavy enough that it won't slide across the floor, because that's what's wrong with my current wood-based one. It's too light. Thanks for watching!